Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you what's in this Five Below bag. So let's get started. So I'm pulling something random out. It's a cute little otter puppet! Yay! So cute! Pops really well. Let me show you. Super nice quality. I'd really recommend this. Let's try the loud side. Wow. Love it. Perfect. Good, let's put that to the side over there. Okay. Let's go to the next thing. Randomly pulling something out. 1 second, let me find the other thing to what I pulled out. So I got this alien spaceship, and let me find it. Oh, hurry. And this alien head. They're both simple dimples. Really good quality. All of these are at Five Below. I did get the last otter puppet though. They might restock. I don't know. Okay, let's go to the next thing. These monkey noodles. Look at all these. Look. Here's this like tannish one. Put that to the side. Look at this green one. It might look like white in the camera. I don't know. But it's really cool. Next is this purple one. It might look pink, but it's actually purple. So put that. Now this pink one, you can see it's pink. They have glitter in them, but you can't see. Let's see if I can show you the glitter.
Kelly's here in a minute. Huh? So Kelly's here, and I'm going to help her bring stuff in, so if you can keep an eye on your dog, so I can keep this door to the garage open.
And here's this yellow one. And here's a blue one. Really pretty and really nice quality. Definitely recommend. Then, the last but not least, their Poppet's fidget spinner. Really nice. Love it. Nice. So let's see the quality. This is the quiet side. It's kind of hard to pop with one hand. Let's see the other side pop. Wow. So good. Definitely recommend this. Let's put it all in my fidget drawer. Let's go get it. There's silly little willies. Hi. Okay. I've been making some fidgets, you can see. So, I made a cute little marble mesh. Really cute. I've got this. And I also made this avocado puppet. So, let's put them all in my fidget drawer. What? This. Okay.
Hey Lydia, I'm trying to
Okay.
clean.
Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Let's put them in. So first, I'm gonna put in the monkey noodles. Oh, let's put them in there on the side. let's put in my alien puppet and my spaceship puppets. Right in this corner over here with my mini puppets. And fidget spinner. Let's find the other one. Should be in here somewhere. Let's just put it in. And this other puppet, which will go with my other puppets. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Peace.